Wayne Seymour ain't your uncle, is he?
Yep. Yeah, okay.
He's Ryan's cousin. Right? I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna drop my pants and open that silver cooler, and I'm gonna set my nuts right in it. Oh. I'm gonna waddle them back and forth.
Jeremy, beat me to it. There goes that ice.
Yeah. Fart, Jeremy, fart. The cooler melt and the water runs all over the ground. All of a sudden you're a beer can right up his butthole.
The one you wouldn't even hear.
I wouldn't hear it.
You can throw that beer can in that sideways.
Be doing like a vending machine, you slap in the back of the head and twing, the can falls off. Don't hit it too hard, you might get too boom, boom.
What time's it?
And some change. And some change, yep. A couple quarters come by. The hell's dog?
Oh, it's really cleaned out.
Put into the seat. Have a riding companion.
Ruffy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to sell tacos.
That looks like an expensive dog.
Trying to sell something.
You better find his home because you're going to get run over.
Oh, yeah. You're like, hey, where am I going?
He's looking for snacks.
Oh, I knew I should have brought a bag of chips with me. Throw the bag of chips in the car.
Gotta be a bitch you need around here somewhere. Probably got a crank on him at home. Cranker gets hard, the dog sits there spinning. Whoosh, I think I need a bigger box.
Hey, why do they always gotta have derby in the summer? Why don't they have it in the winter? Good have it in the winter.
They do.
Moose's is in fall. I'm going to that one.
Look at that car. The hell is that?
An Alexa or something.
It's a piece of shit.
All your old cars. They can have new ones.
How many fucks are pointing at?
Some for fun. He said he'd have it for money, but then